Hello everyone, in this video we'll be solving problem 3612 process strings with special operations part 1. The problem statement is that we are given a string S consisting of lowercase English letters and few special characters, that is asterisk, hash and percent sign. We need to build a new string result by processing string S according to the following rules from left to right. If we encounter a letter which is a lowercase English letter, then we append it to the result as S. If the character is an asterisk, then we remove the last character from the string. If the character is a hash, then we duplicate the entire result. And the last rule is for character being a percent sign, where we need to reverse the entire string. After applying all of these operations, we need to return the result as the output. These rules are very straightforward and easy to understand. So let's switch to whiteboard and discuss how we can solve this problem. As you must have guessed, the simple approach to solve this problem is to iterate through the entire string, look at the character and accordingly apply the operation. Instead of discussing the rules again, let's do a quick dry run on this example to get a better idea, starting with my pointer pointing at the first character, A. As it is a lowercase English letter, we need to append it directly to our results variable. Now the next character is a hash. We need to duplicate the entire string. As we only have one character in the result, that is A, after duplicating or appending it again, the output should be A and A. Incrementing my pointer, the next character is B. As it is an English letter, I don't have to apply any operation except for adding it to my output. After that, the next operation is a percentage sign, which means I need to reverse the entire string. So instead of having AAB, the updated string will be BAA. And the last character is a percentage sign, which means I need to remove the last character from the string that was added. So in this case, this A will be removed. So the updated string will be B and A. And as we have iterated through all of the characters in the input string and applied the respective operations, the output will be BA. The time complexity of this solution is going to be O of n square from the worst case scenario. This is because we are applying these two operations. One is to duplicate the entire string and the other is to reverse the entire string. Every time we are applying either of the two operations, we are actually working with all of the characters in the result string. Considering the worst case scenario where there could be multiple reverse operations or duplicate operations, the time complexity could go as high as O of n square. And the space complexity will be O of n, where n is again the number of characters in the input string. This is because we are building this result variable on the fly as we are applying the operation. I hope you are able to understand this explanation. Let me show you how we can implement this using Python. In this Python implementation, I start by initializing my results variable, which is an array. After that, I am starting a for loop to iterate through all of the characters in the string S. Inside this for loop, the first check is to verify if the character is an alphabet. If yes, then I am simply appending it to my results variable. If not, then the first check is to verify if it is an asterisk. If yes, it means I need to remove the last character. The first thing is to verify if there is at least one character in the input string. If yes, then I am popping out the last character that was added. The next check is to verify if the character is an hash sign. If yes, it means I need to duplicate the entire string. So I am appending the results variable into the result again using this extend method. After that, the last condition is to check if the character is a percent sign. If yes, it means I need to reverse the entire string. In that case, I am using the reverse function to reverse the contents of the array. Once the for loop is complete, I am using the join function to merge all of the characters in the results array into a string format and returning it as the output. This code, when submitted on LeetCode, beats 46% of the submissions in terms of runtime and nearly 57% in terms of memory. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you are able to understand the explanation. The details to access the source code is available in the description below. Feel free to check that out and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.